Hey guys, so Black Dad and Kids here. I'm in my basement right now and I'm going to take into a new challenge. And that challenge will be to do some improvement, adding an office and a playroom in the basement. As you can see me here, well, it looks like this is my belt with my tools. I'm getting ready, and yeah, so but I'm here by myself. I don't know how this is gonna happen because for sure I will need some maybe help lift things or whatever, but I will try anyway. Oh, wait, I have kids. What are the kids?
We are here! We're gonna help you! Yeah!
Are you sure you can help me?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yay!
But this is building. It's not like playing.
Yes, I'm good at building.
Challenge accepted.
It's not really a challenge. Yes,
It is a challenge because you're gonna have to really transform this basement into an office
it's
and a
probably
playroom.
gonna be kind of like look like the house.
All right, challenge accepted. We're gonna go right into it.
Then get right into the video!
All right, guys. So I will show you
I'm ready
exactly
to
what we do have here. So I have all of my equipment, materials, and I have everything I need to do this. I already bought my studs. This is for the framing. I have never done this before, but I will try to do it for the first time. And now I will show you the space. So come on, guys. Look, this is what is the space looks like right now,
Xbox room!
right?
Xbox room!
And
Fortnite room!
it's really a pretty large space, but so far the kids were just playing in this space like that. This spot right here,
right here, the playroom!
this is gonna be the playroom, and these are the stairs coming from the first floor. Right there is gonna be the next office. So the office
This is gonna
will be right here,
This is becoming
and
house.
and we're gonna put a room for the machineries, for the water heater and for the furnace. We're gonna make a room with a door right here so that we can't see it anymore, and we're gonna make some storage right here. As you can see, a lot of stuff right here, and also we're gonna hide that electrical panel and the freezer, and these are the washing machine and the dryer.
And behind you is
The
a
washer and dryer, I will build some room for that and storage.
And then here is gonna be like a bathroom.
And then we're gonna have right here
Bathroom.
the bathroom, a little bathroom right here.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be a lot of work. So, but we're gonna do it step by step. And I'm already getting ready. I have all of my equipment. This is a air compressor, so I will need it. And with a lot of tools right here, framing, guns, and then we have also drills and all of this. This is a saw, and this is a gun. It's a ramset gun for the concrete. So I'm not really a professional builder, but we're gonna try for the first time and see how this is gonna happen. And the other thing I wanted to also show is I did all of the prep work. So I did a lot of work learning online, which is in this binder right now.
He did it on his computer and printed it out.
So there is a, this is a plan. It's the design. This is the way how it's gonna look like. The office is right here, and the playroom is right here. And these are the stairs, and this is a bathroom. And then we're gonna build something around the washer and the dryer. And then these are the water heater and the furnace. So this is gonna be the work that we're going to do, and then this area will stay free, but we're gonna put some flooring and the ceiling and everything.
And then also there's.
And these are just you know, some of the prep work around the materials that I will need. So I'm not gonna. So we're gonna be doing this. So this is gonna help me, and I will put everything in here. And as you can see, the ceiling. This is what it looks like. And then we're gonna make sure that we put something on the ceiling, and this is gonna be a lot of work for the ceiling. But it's not impossible.
So this to that is gonna be the office.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.